Hello everyone. Here in this video we're going to talk about the fundamentals of the special theory of relativity. So we're going to discuss what are the fundamental postulates and what are the fundamental facts such as the coordinate transformation. Okay, so let's start with the postulates. There are two fundamental postulates of the special theory of relativity. The first one is the light in vacuum always travels at the constant speed. Travels at a constant speed, which is c. We'll talk about c pretty soon. Regardless of inertial reference frames. Inertial reference frames from which the light is observed. Okay, so this is a very mysterious fact about light, but we know this to be true by a lot of experimentation, and this is just how it is. The light in vacuum travels at the speed of light at c, regardless of how you observe it. And the second fact is more general, is of a more general kind. What it says is that physical laws are independent of inertial reference frames. Okay, so here in these two postulates, we see that the expression inertial reference frame appeared twice. That's no coincidence. An inertial reference frame is an extremely important concept, and a theory by Einstein here that we discuss it can be thought of as generalizing the concept of the inertial reference frame from that of Newtonian concept of the inertial reference frame. So what is an inertial reference frame? If you didn't know what it is, here's a very short answer. An inertial reference frame is where physical laws are valid. So that's one fact. And the second fact is that if a reference frame moves at a constant velocity with respect to an already established inertial reference frame, then it is also an inertial reference frame. And so this sounds a little bit like a circular argument, and it is a circular argument, but that's how it is. The best way to understand an inertial reference frame is through experiments. So if you have a capable group of scientists who can do experiments well, and if they actually establish a law in a reference frame, that reference frame is by definition an inertial reference frame. And what this the second part says is that if there is another reference frame moving at a constant velocity with respect to an established inertial reference frame, and that is also an inertial reference frame. What it says is that, as far as we know, the concept of an absolute velocity has no meaning.